Now here they come, the Pro Stock finalists. There they go, Stock got the hole first. Jewelers, Danny Wanger, driving for the Hot Rod Shop, beats Denny Darrell in the Mod Pa Hoover car with an ET of 6.82.
So we're cleaning and degreasing the whole transmission housing, just because a lot of the grease that gets on there will make the paint like flake off after a while. So you have to get into all the little crannies and everything and then pull all the grease out so that when we shoot paint and primer and all that stuff on there, it's going to stick and it's going to have a nice adhesion point.
Transmission, there's a gasket that goes in here. All of the machined surfaces, so there's a gasket that goes here. We're taping off everything so that we don't get any type of paint or primer on top of these surfaces. These need to stay completely clean so that when you put the gasket back on, you're not going to have any leakage and you're not going to have any peeling paint for that matter. So I'm taking my time making sure that all the surfaces are cut to fit. And then we're gonna prime it. Once we finish the primer, we're gonna peel all this tape back off. We're gonna retape it, and then we're gonna do wet sanding and then paint. This is billowed out. I'm going to mask this just to be safe. How's it going, bud? Okay, so I'm just going to mask off these last few little pieces here. I got to put the earplugs in all of the threaded holes, and then you can take this one. Sound good?
Aiden, do you know what you're doing now?
Nope.
Okay, look.
What do you mean look? It's a
Just
fucking
do this.
earplug.
Let me show you about. Look, ready? See here? Don't do this one. Ready? 3, 2, 1. Ding. Expand, snip, snip. Not bad, eh?
Fucking professional.
Avery at its finest.
Avery.
How do I even hold this?
You know what it looks like?
Shane's theme song.
It looks like you're making a dick.
Why does everything have to be dicks with you guys?
Look at it though. You see the big
Look at
ball
what-
here.
Okay.
Yeah, and then the shaft goes that way.
Yeah.
Right?
Yeah. Okay, so right now I am masking for the blue, which is this blue. It's gonna look like this. So the top here is gonna be this blue color, and this is gonna stay silver. You're gonna have a little bit of white peeking out here, and then the bottom section is gonna be like this carbon fiber look. Let's see how this goes. So, up until this point, I've done the base coat silver. After that, I masked off and I did the blue second main coat. I masked the blue off, and then I did the white highlights, and now I'm replicating the carbon fiber look that's on the bottom of the helmet. So I'm taking this toolbox liner, laying it over top, and then putting a dark metallic silver over top of black, and it gives it that kind of checkerboard look to it. So.
I'm just happy that there's no like clearing and sanding in between.
Is there?
Except
there is
for,
sanding between.
yeah, but like,
Oh wait, no, there isn't.
are you doing pinstriping over top of the clear?
So my
And then leaving it?
Okay, so I have to make sure that's fucking.
Yes, you do.
I pull out all the trick to the trade and pulling it, I'm unzipping the zipper and whipping her out because there's all coming out. Glass factories in effect.